Integrating CAD data and configuring new products doesn't have to be time-consuming or frustrating. CadConnect offers an intuitive solution that presents all levels of your bill of materials and routing in a single, unified view. With the ability to edit multiple levels at once, adjustments take only a fraction of the usual effort. Whether you're importing CAD data or setting up new products, CadConnect simplifies the process, removes delays, and maximizes efficiency at every stage. In the CadConnect, we are presented with a list of products that are certified, under development, and newly imported/created. This gives the user an insight into which products are ready for use. Let's try create a new product. Now you have 3 options: import from Excel, copy from an existing product, or third, create a new item. Let's try and see how import Excel file works. We choose the file and use the drag and drop to import the file. Here we have an example of exported data from a CAD system. CAD systems typically generate construction bills of materials, which can be exported in Excel or XML formats. These files are seamlessly imported into CadConnect by mapping the CAD data and item properties. Once you have entered the column letters into item fields and thereby connects them to the column header in the Excel sheet, you have completed the import process. The next step is transforming this data into a production-ready format. Item number colors red, green, black, and blue provide a quick visual reference for an item's status in Business Central. Red color is products that are not yet in Business Central. Green color is bill of materials that we already have in the system, and black is components that we buy from a vendor. Lastly, blue color is the routings. Users can fully manage the data, including adding or removing items, creating routings, compressing or expanding the bill of materials, and more. Once the production documentation is finalized, users can perform standard cost calculations or cost simulations as needed. You have a variety of options to adjust manual cost, labor costs, etc. Finally, the new product is created in Business Central, and having the status as certified shows that the data is ready for practical use, such as generating new production orders.